The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Murray Lloyd. This is my guest, John Duff, today. We're going to talk about Murray's Marvelous Mustard Steak. Right, John?
Yes, John. Murray.
Murray.
Yes,
That's
Murray.
right, Murray.
Yes,
This is
John.
Murray Lloyd. I'm John Duff. I get to be Murray today and ask questions about his marvelous mustard steak. Murray, take it away.
This is a great steak that I do for catering, John. I did it for 700 people at Waterdown High School reunion. I had 4 Crown Verities. Let me put this on and we'll chat.
Okay.
I've got this at about 750 degrees, which is right where I want it. Now, if you'll help me, it's a 2-man job. Remember, I had 250 pounds of this when I did this catering job. Just like
It's a lot of meat, Murray.
a lot of meat. 700 people. Nope. There we go. There we go.
got
Okay.
it?
Yep. Off we go.
Super.
Now, what we want that to do is go into a real nice flame. As you see underneath, John, I put tin foil and water. So we're cooking with a moist heat, and the cleanup will be really easy. The whole pan down there is Crown Verity drip pan. So there's nothing going on the bottom, nothing going on my barbecue, on my propane. It's just there cooking. I'm gonna put this down because I really want it to burn.
Now, Murray, I saw you do this too at Busker Fest in Toronto, and the flames were coming out the bottom.
Yeah.
And the crowd was, whoa. But it's supposed to do that, correct?
It is,
Okay.
yes.
All right.
That's why in this Murray's Marvelous Mustard Steak sauce, there's mustard, brown sugar, rosemary, garlic, oil,
Right.
half
Is
a
it oil?
cup of oil.
Is it the oil that
'Cause I
really gives it
want
the flame? Yeah. Yeah.
And beer, Sleeman Honey Brown.
Yeah.
In that. Okay, what I did was I had 4 barbecues. I had a tailgater and 3 60-inchers from Crown Verity. I did 250 pounds of the beef like that. We cooked it. It took about 45 minutes per, or 55 minutes per steak. Then we hot boxed them. And on the other 2 barbecues, we did 2 with beef and 2 with bone-in chicken breast. I had 250 pounds of that. I charged $25 a plate. My costs were more in the rentals than in my food cost,
Yeah.
which was really weird. But it was an outdoor. We had a tent.
It's a great price for catering, though, and you're making some money.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
fabulous.
They paid for the rentals.
Fabulous.
They paid me $25 a plate for it. And then you want lots of flame on it. You see how I'm getting a little bit of flame on that?
Yeah, absolutely.
I want the flame. I want a crust on the bottom of that.
You want to char it effectively
I
a little
do.
bit. Yeah, okay.
I want the brown sugar to caramelize, and the black burn on it is like candy.
Yeah.
It's like caramelized candy. It's fabulous.
Murray, that sirloin is 4 inches thick, at least 4 inches thick. Huh?
What I buy top butts, whole top butts, and cut them in half.
Great.
Then they're a little easier to cook, cut in half.
Wonderful.
Yep, that's, what's
Wonderful.
that, Johnny?
Yeah.
4 or 5 inches? I don't know.
Your guy.
You're a guy. Okay,
Murray, let me hold this while you cut the mustard.
that's better than cutting the cheese, Johnny.
Perfect.
That's good. Look at that. Just gonna put a little more on so I'll get a flame. It's got the oil. I want to flip it and get a flame on this. Okay, like that.
Wonderful.
Okay. Now that's good.
Wonderful.
Okay. Now the flip-a-rooney.
I'll watch.
Okay.
You're a
Yeah, you
trained,
gotta be a
trained
trained-
professional. A trained professional, Murray.
Look at that. eh?
Fantastic.
Look at that.
Fabulous.
Now, again, mustard,
Yes, sir.
mustard,
Yes, sir.
mustard,
Yes, sir. I
you
can,
go.
do, I can do that.
mustard. And you do this one more time, and that's putting the moisture back into the char. Okay, and keeping this steak really nice and moist.
Now, I also noticed, too, that the water in the pan, it's not flaring up.
That's right.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
very good.
The
Very
Crown Verity has that big watering pan.
Fabulous.
There we go. You're on, John.
Sir,
We're done.
Thank you.
Okay. Now,
Wow.
how's
Wow.
that look?
Fabulous. Again, the crust looks absolutely
great?
delicious. I'll try a little piece at the end, Murray.
Okay,
Perfect.
we took, now that's your well done pieces there.
For sure.
And when you get into here, you'll see it's nice and rare. Look
Wow.
at that. Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
And that looks
Perfect.
nice.
Boy, that's tasty.
Yeah. Now, it took 25 minutes to cook. 15 minutes aside, 30 minutes. Lots of flame, lots of flavor, as you can see. How's that? You like a rare piece like that?
Wonderful.
Now you cut this for 700 people. You cut it about
And your
like
arm
that.
gets really sore, right, Murr?
Well, I had 4 carvers.
Does it? Okay.
And that's all they did was carve. And they looked like Pluto at the end of the day. They had the arms like this. And old Popeye was coming by and going, try that, Johnny.
Wow.
Doesn't that look nice?
Sure does.
You don't taste the
Give me half a
mustard, do
piece.
you?
Thank you. No, you taste the rosemary. You
Yep.
taste the sweetness
Yep.
for sure.
Oh, man.
Fantastic.
That is good.
Mm-hmm.
I amaze myself sometimes. Wow.
John, we have a tradition here.
Oh.
I'm Murray. You're John.
Yes, John.
We have a tradition here.
Murray.
Yes. At the end of the show, we like to raise a glass of beer. In this case, it is Steam Whistle, fabulous beer. And we like to say, let's eat, drink, and
B. Murray.
cheers.
Cheers, kids. Thanks, Johnny.